Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Lenovo 14e Chromebook is not turning on. So in most of the cases, the reason behind this is your device being discharged. So the only thing that you have to do is get the charging cable and insert it into the charging port on the left edge of your laptop. After that, give it a moment to charge a little, and after that, short press the power button in order to start your device. If your device isn't starting so far, then make sure that you didn't expose it to extremely hot or cold temperature, and if you did previously, then leave it in a room temperature for another 12 hours, maybe less. Then once it's rested, just plug in the charging cable and let your device charge. Also make sure that no visible damage is visible on your AC adapter and on the cable that goes into your laptop. Also make sure, especially if you're using a substitute power adapter, that it provides at least 45 watts of power to your device. And if your device is stuck into a boot loop, then you can access the recovery mode of your device by short pressing the power button and holding down escape and refresh buttons together. Or rather, I had to do this in a different order. So, okay, no, it's still booted. So yeah, hold down escape and refresh and then short press power button in order to access recovery mode. Here you can launch diagnostics of your PC and check whether your device has any battery issues. Okay, so we actually don't have the battery diagnostics in here, but you should also consider the battery failure because of the battery being way too old. Generally speaking, this device uses optimized battery charging by default, therefore there shouldn't be no issues with your battery even after years of usage, but sometimes battery age pretty quick, and this can only be resolved by replacing the battery in your device. But I recommend reinstalling the operational system on your device. We have a separate video on our channel about how to do that in case you encounter this issue. And if it won't help you, then reach out to Lenovo customer support service. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.